Hey guys, welcome back to Super Mario 3D World. In the last episode, we did have a world star, the most magical place in the kingdom. Or out of this world. Okay, we're going into Honeycomb. Far away.
You can say these levels are out of the world.
Yeah, the
I don't know anything.
Yeah.
I'm concerned. What was the escape?
Oh god.
Hey, look!
I don't like the look of this one.
Yeah, I mean, it's completely...
Hey guys, play the music from Super Mario Galaxy.
Rip-off.
It's not a rip-off, it's a remix.
It's a rip-off.
Remix!
Nintendo's ripping off songs.
What's over here?
It's a star!
No, yeah! Oh, I know, guys.
Ah! What the heck?
Toady!
Who the frick killed me?
Oh, Toady!
Run, Toad, run!
I'm gonna kill you, Toad! Get over here!
Oh, yes! Hey! I wasn't expecting that to be Well, I got you, Toad.
Okay, guys.
I'm not gonna kill you. Oh, that's fine.
Ow.
I'm really. Oh, this is ice.
Go boy, Cherry.
Oh, this ice.
Mario, you're gonna get it! Come here, boy!
I mean, maybe because of
You
the
can never
rocket,
get me!
but-
Hey, wait, I remember that we have to get a star by killing these guys.
Oh, man,
This is genocide. Doesn't work there.
Wait, where's the last one?
There! Here we go!
No.
Hey, I thought you said you were gonna get me.
What do you mean? I lost interest.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
Well, you have to try. Oh no, I don't want to murder anyone.
Yeah.
You think Cootie.
I died!
Hey! What the heck?
We got it! No, we got myself.
This is an interesting person shooting game.
I hate the fact that you guys are trying to kill me.
Oh.
Oh. We're trying to kill you. I'm just trying to live, bro.
Go kill me!
No.
Go try!
I have fear.
I'm not trying. I'm
Hey,
trying
guys.
not to.
Oh wow, the star is like right here. I'll get it.
I got it. How did I touch that? That was not touch lava.
Help me. Help me.
Oh guys, the stamp!
Don't die. Don't die.
I got the stamp. I sacrificed my soul to get the stamp.
How is this?
A boomerang.
No, this is bad.
Oh.
It's alright, guys.
Yay!
Yeah, but guys, watch out.
Yeah, you almost got it right. Is that it?
Yeah. Come on, guys.
I should have just ran. I tried
I
to do a
got
long
him.
jump, but it doesn't work. Whatever.
I honestly don't know who won this.
We're all normal.
Who won?
What is that?
It's probably
Mario
Galaxy.
Shooter.
it's a space Goomba.
The pea shooter.
Yay!
Second place!
A
Let's
space
go!
Goomba, or a Spoomba for sure.
I like a
Space.
spoomba. Boy, do I like playing my spoombas. I ate
Spoombas are
my
my favorite Mario character.
Oh, I remember
I ate
that.
breakfast with a spoomba.
With the
I ate my cereal with a spoon.
Spoomba.
with the spoonba.
Spoomba game, Spoomba game.
Oh no.
Spoomba's now
Oh, no, there's
Roomba.
Gargantuan.
Hey guys, you guys want my crown?
I mean,
Guys, if you guys want my crown, you guys gotta be active.
I am being active. You're running around, I'm not staying still.
I don't care about the trash.
Wow!
Yeah, me too. I just rather.
We have a church.
Wow! I thought that. Oh, ow! You stole my crown! You stole my
Okay.
crown! Get over here! I died.
I'm just trying to. Yo, where's the Super Mario Odyssey?
You know there are more than one.
Kill the
There's-
Goombas. Kill the Goombas.
Kill the Goombas!
Yeah, don't worry about the crown.
Ow.
Mod. Kill the Goombas.
Hey, get the
No,
stamp!
no, okay.
One on that.
Oh wow.
Oh, I fell.
Don't worry, guys, we got this.
Hey guys, let's all grab out at the same time. Should we try that? Guys, do we all try that? Come on. 3, 2, like ground all together.
Can
3,
we like do like a...
ground all together. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's like nothing.
No.
Maybe we didn't.
Like some Super Mario.
Yeah, or you can just like... skip out the
Wee!
It's an all Super Mario.
No, it isn't. The original one didn't even have ground.
Look out for Bloopy.
This is Gargantuan Grotto. Why is it not included? Where's there no purple?
Probably because Nintendo thinks that a large.
Because they don't want to
blooper is
copyright, you know? No, they don't want
Hey
to
guys.
public.
Okay, guys.
Something.
This is nice.
Oh wow.
I want to.
We're
Oh,
on.
it's thick. Extra thick.
We're all thick.
Casual. Roll.
Yeah, but most. Yeah. I got.
Come on, Toadie.
Come on, little Toadie.
Hey, wait. Hey, wait, we missed a star.
There's probably one around
You said you
here.
got it.
I thought.
Okay! For the mother house!
Fail.
I don't have it.
Someone who wants to get on top. Okay, we're gonna redo this level anyway.
Yeah, let's.
I don't care. I just jumped off.
Let's redo this.
Yeah, this is something.
I missed this.
It was small, big, small.
Interesting.
It's the Mega Mushroom.
Okay.
Boxes smash like. The ghost house.
Let's go back in there. Come on, guys.
Isn't it funny how the ghost house never gets like burnt down, but all the toad houses and fairy houses do?
Yeah.
We
I can't believe you're that far behind.
Yeah, wait, hold on a second. Get more than one now.
You guys
I want to use nuts first.
I love this.
fixed room.
Wait. How about oh wow. Nice. That's the
I think my favorite
depressed.
here.
That's the depressor right off the bat.
Pressure.
Okay, hit 4.
Oh, I got all 4 of them.
My
but-
friend, Luigi Mario.
Go back here, save me, guys, save me.
Where are you? Bubble up, bubble up. Bubble up.
I think you have to break the walls behind there.
Yeah, no, jump upstairs. Oh wait, what? No.
Same thing as before.
Here,
Where am I?
just swim. Just swim.
In line.
Oh, there we are. There we go.
Oh, there you are, Toad.
Oh, there I am. Oh wow, they hit the thing box. Part of the seeds and dreams of being sick.
Ah!
Now the stick is there.
Who is the
Right
thickest
Here,
one?
just let.
Yes!
I tried
so
to
big,
climb
right?
down.
Oh, and they switched us down.
Okay, now we gotta get the golden flag. Golden flag.
Oh my, wait. Oh,
I'm
We already
getting the
got
golden
this.
flag. I'm getting the
Sorry.
golden flag.
I missed.
Let me take care of it.
Okay, go get.
No! No!
No!
Miss!
Miss!
How are you?
just
Off camera!
Yeah, off
Yeah.
camera. We're doing that off camera.
worthless.
You know what? Speedrun.
Speedrun.
Nah, it's better to do it
10
off
seconds,
camera.
10 seconds.
And the winner is...
Me.
Who's the real winner?
Me.
At the end of the day, who's the real winner?
Gimbal! Gamble!
Gamble!
Let's do that. Peppa's
No.
Squad.
What next to Peppa?
Peppa's
Oh,
Peapods.
Peppa. Never
It's
mind.
Peppa, you know that one little pig that's
Wait,
annoying?
Peppa.
Oh, wow. Hey, wait. Hey guys, let's not focus a lot on like finding the key.
Oh, that's
The
no, I
key
got
cards.
those
Let's just try to find the.
Trying to find
Other
as many cards.
Let's disturb the graveyard.
say it's-
yeah.
It's
have
a
to go
Cody. You
check
wanna go on a
every-
walk, Cody?
We have to check every grave.
Hey guys, hey
wanna go
guys,
on a
why
walk?
is this? Oh, it's a cloud.
Go on a walk, Cody.
How do you open these flowers, or they look like green? They look like you can do something with them. I'm just gonna be an idiot. I don't know.
We.
Okay, let's disturb all the gravestones.
Yeah, but let's just try to. Yeah, let's try to find.
Oh, what's that snowball?
I got
Oh,
10
let's get
seconds.
back here.
I'm
You
carrying
gotta
my
go
snowball
farther.
like it's a baby.
You gotta go farther.
That's how far you can go.
I have a snowball. I'm hitting it like a baby.
Are you gonna throw it at
I'm gonna
me?
end up in the graveyard.
Hey guys, look over here. There's something. There's a pal.
Lord.
I just murked me.
What the?
I got a snowball.
Hey guys, over.
Oh look, doors.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay. Hey, wait, should we try to find... Hey,
Oh,
guys! It's
hey.
Captain Toad!
Oh.
But how are we...
Oh, I know. Snowball.
Snowball.
Eat this.
Eat.
Yeah, that didn't help.
Light sword.
Hey guys.
Yeah, but
Yes,
you can't...
burn them.
Yeah, but you
You
can't...
burn them. Burn the ghost. Burn the ghost. Burn them all.
Burning up the light sword.
Where's the last one?
Do you think we could probably get a invisibility star right here? Maybe we could do that.
Hey Toad, wanna come to the balcony?
I'm gonna try and, that would be cool, but I'm gonna go check these trees for any.
Alright, I'm gonna go to the balcony.
I'm going to.
I know there's a balcony up here, I just don't know.
Oh, wow.
Where am I, guys?
Yeah.
Do you see me? I just entered a random.
I
Where
don't-
am I?
I don't see any green stars around here.
Hey, look, there's another glowing thing.
Where am I? Oh, no.
The superstar!
Go
Give it
get
to me.
Killy Ghost!
Wait, hold on a second! Wait for me! Touch me! Touch me!
No, you better hit him all. You better.
The heck is the last one?
Yay!
Oh. I can't even see anything so far behind.
All over here. My snowball.
Did we just go in now? I think we found everything.
But we
over
gotta
here,
enter the
guys.
door.
Like,
There's probably something in the door.
nah, there's nothing.
How do you know?
Because I went one through the doors and it took me to that balcony. There's like 5 doors.
I feel like we can go back here.
No, you can't.
Well, you can.
You could. You just went back there.
If you go back there, you're earning a ticket to heaven.
Almost heaven.
Oh,
How are we not deaf?
I don't know. How are you alive?
I live because I live. Every time.
So,
Yeah.
I wanna go and look for the wall.
Exactly. Oh, I'm afraid to go down here. Can I just
Hey, wait, hold on a second. There must be something mysterious about this way. Like, look at this.
I'll test it out.
Yeah, it's bad.
Hey guys, one of those boxes.
Oh, there we are.
And there's the last.
It's a
I've
fake.
been playing like a darn fiddle.
Then Fiddly.
Aha, there we are.
Fiddly.
What the?
Move away, you have to throw a snowball
frick?
at it. You have to throw a snowball. Over here!
How do you do that?
I'm just telling you, you have to throw a snowball at it. If it gets away with you,
Okay,
Guys.
let's all die.
That looks like a great
Bamboozle
idea.
yourself.
Hey Toad, let's go
you all
together.
have the no brain.
I'm sorry.
You all have the no brain.
The crown's mine.
No, you didn't get the crown. You're too slow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's alright. It's
Die,
alright.
Luigi. Yeah.
So sorry.
Probably just my dad's phone. Alright though.
Alright, let me do this. Let me do this.
Hey, Toad.
Oh, pardon me.
Okay. How are you supposed to find it?
Away from it.
My goodness! Who the heck got you at the store like that?
I can.
I'm gonna Google it and...
Maybe we can just bring a snowball in. And then we can throw it from there.
Maybe we can just.
Yeah, let's try that. Let's try that.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Come on,
Giant yellow, giant yellow.
Sacrifice.
Sacrifice the snow. Commit death.
He fell in.
I'm gonna
Big brain.
see how to get that star.
Guys,
I know how to
Hey guys, let's try to find out how do we
let's
get
try
that
Toad
star.
mode. Let's try Toad mode.
Let's
Toad
find
mode.
some entertainment.
I'm gonna Google it.
Okay,
We're recording
wait,
though.
unpause. Yeah.
Toad mode. Toad mode. Toad mode.
Unpause it. Let's just have fun. Okay, let's have fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll carry you around.
All right.
Okay, let's
Okay,
do. Okay, now let Luigi.
Yeah, but don't kill me,
I'll
okay?
try my best.
Luigi.
The only way that you can die is if I die.
Luigi. No, Luigi.
Ha!
Luigi, yes. We're doing this together. Maybe Luigi.
I see what I'm doing.
Okay, we're going.
Nice.
Oh, you're dead.
531 lives. Can't wait to get to zero, guys.
Teabag.
We can't keep that.
Teabag.
Okay, I know how we're supposed to
Get
get the star. We're supposed to throw at it. Don't go after it, okay?
Oh, but
don't
it's over there.
don't go after it. Oh wow.
You just did it.
We're supposed to get a snowball.
Oh. I knew it! I knew it! We have to beat it.
Come on, Toad, you
Talk
died.
about genocide count.
Die!
Okay.
Okay.
Talking about.
Yeah, that's the first time I heard someone angrily yell die.
Okay, there
We don't need to use such dude.
I need to use the.
we don't need to use
In our inventory.
Yeah, banish the you suck suits. Banish them.
Oh, he's wearing it. He's wearing it.
I'm the you suck god.
Okay,
Alright,
guys.
let me do this.
I'll take care of it.
Okay, fine. I guess I have no work.
It's alright.
Wait,
You have words.
Right around.
Why didn't you let me do it, man? I'm the one who came up with the idea.
I am the you stuck god. I go first.
Hey, throw this. Remember, throw the snowball at the star.
I will sacrifice myself. Or no.
Did we get the stamp already?
Guys.
No.
Let's go.
It's over there. I was like running into the wall. Like, I was like, I'm not kidding.
Wait, be careful.
Come on, Toad.
I wish
Let's
to
go.
get up stuff.
Your Toad.
In Disney clouds, that's
These ghost houses are too
No.
Are too
Wait,
darn
wait.
Too darn complicated with their too darn.
Oh, come on.
Get golden.
You spent too
Hey,
much
guys,
time on this
hey
level
guys, yeah.
Speedrun.
On screen we're gonna get the golden flag.
Yeah, I lost the off screen.
It's another small, big, small.
Big pain.
I know.
What do you mean? I see us all the
It's
same size.
Rosie.
I think we're all the same sizes.
That level took us too long.
I know, right?
18 minutes.
I'm the stuck god.
Ah, yes, these are the
Oh, it's a bouncer statue.
Oh no, we
Do
need
you
it.
have to pay to unlock the thing or something?
Yeah.
I think we're fine.
Oh wow.
Oh, we have plenty.
Oh, you guys are facing the wrong. You guys are facing the wrong way.
I'm helping.
Oh no, not that one.
I have no idea what this
Cosmic
is. but it looks
Cannon.
cool.
Cosmic Cannon cluster.
Oh no, it sounds weird. I'm scared.
It's freeze back nightmares.
Easy, go.
Oh, bye, Luigi.
Guess who
Yeah,
Luigi
I
was?
can tell it's down there. Oh, wait, I'm coming back for you.
What the heck? Curse you, dry bones.
Okay, you can't go.
Thing.
Okay, yeah. Hey
it's
guys,
coin.
hey guys, let's restart because we actually need that cannon box to get the stamp. So let's just restart this level.
Okay, I can be. Or how about I just crouch?
No.
How about all just bubble up?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Wait, I want...
This is content.
You could get more. Like, there's more in this level.
Guys, check out this great content. Mustard.
Look, get away. No, I'm talking to Dry Bones. What the heck?
My turn, my
Yes!
turn.
That's gameplay.
No, it's my. At least we're all at the same size. Or at least, or normal form.
I didn't mean
My
to-
size is
Sorry.
Okay, I'll go around for you.
Here, I'll carry you.
Don't carry me. You're probably.
You don't
Over
fire
here,
when
it's
I
over
carry you.
here.
Get away from the dry bones, please. How you lost it the first time. Second
Wait for
time,
me!
It will be how you lose it again.
You can't really.
Stop freeing me. I don't want to
Hey
be
guys,
killed
we
by
can do
a
this.
suspect.
Why?
Okay, guys, go.
I didn't mean it.
Shoot.
What the heck?
Toad!
Toad!
Come
I'm
on,
just
come on.
standing.
Wait, guys,
Wait,
get
wait,
with
no,
Jess.
wait, we can do this.
No, you
Right,
can't
just
do
be
that.
No, I can do it. I can do it. No. Okay. If I can get on the platform. Okay, let's go
Ow.
to that.
Curse you, Dry Bones! You bonehead!
Oh, that's
I'm
not
ready
right.
for this.
Yeah,
Someone
Dry
pick me up
Bones
and
is
drop
a
me.
bonehead.
Okay.
Pick me up and-
Okay, well, that worked.
You want to come back? Oh, okay, never mind. Welcome back.
That's
Welcome
why you-
back to the Toad.
Hello!
Code mode.
No,
Wow.
no, die.
Now we're just bringing it this way. Yeah, why didn't we do that at first?
I'm helping.
Oh, wow.
I'm not.
Toad has been
Hey, what the
Oh,
heck,
that's
Pete?
nice.
Pete!
Oh, 360.
I'm gonna kill you. Get over here.
No, wait, no,
We need it for this thing, though.
You bombed me.
No, let me get it. Okay, that's.
I mean, honestly, you kind of bumped me.
Isn't that kind of a code mode?
You want me to bomb you on
Toad moment,
purpose?
toad moment.
I've not gotten hacked.
Hey, Pete, can you get over here and bomb those bricks? Pete, get over here.
I mean, which bricks? Like,
Yeah, those
Oh,
bricks.
jeez, why is that there? Why is that there?
Okay, thank you, Pete.
oh,
Oh, great, I died. Wow.
never mind. Who wants the box?
I want it. Can I please have it?
Yeah, you can
Hold
have
on.
it.
I haven't
Of course, I
got one.
lose mine instead.
I haven't got one.
There we go.
Now don't get my line of fire.
Okay, this is like... This is like...
Oh, no.
Oh, this is some
Jump on
guy though.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, I got up here. You guys can bubble up.
Toad is dominant.
There we go.
Okay, it has to be over here.
Yeah, let's see. Ah!
Hit
Whose idea was it to have them here?
It's the thing.
No, I missed. I helped.
Hi.
I helping.
Here, you guys get... There we go. Good job, Coach.
Here.
Good job.
Oh. Go.
I mean it.
Okay.
Oh,
And
it's
the fire.
water now.
Who wants...
Oh, this.
Who wants to
I'll
free
make a
it?
hole.
I am upset. You want it?
You know
want
you
it?
go
I know you
hold
want
it.
I know you want it.
Take it. Like, hold it.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Hold it. Hold your fire.
Oh,
There we go. There we go.
I never
Hold
had
your
one.
fire.
Oh.
Sorry.
Hey, you can steal them.
Hey, you
Flappy
bombed me!
Flappy Bird.
Why are you always why are you always bombing me?
It's unintentional, definitely.
Yeah. Let me see if I can get a free one
Wait,
here.
guys, down here.
Oh!
Oh, perfect. Good job.
I'm helping.
You have the biggest brain here.
This is so nice. I got it.
I lost one.
Ha, I'm circling around.
I'm helping.
What the heck? How did I
Go
die?
down, go down.
I am
I am
spaghetti.
helping as well.
How the heck did I die?
You
Ah.
sniped me. Amazing. Toad.
Nice.
Wow,
It
that's
is.
nice.
I literally cannot stop it from happening.
Hold the
okay?
X.
Oh. Well, let's
Spaghettification.
just charge up the inevitable.
Okay, hold up.
Oh.
Hold your fire, okay? Hey, wait,
No,
wait,
wait,
for
Toady.
Okay.
I know how to use this. I know how to play the video game.
Guys, we should.
So, yeah, one person just shoot that, please. I'll stop it. Shoot
No,
it.
I already
Shoot,
shot
shoot
it.
it.
I already
Shoot it.
shot it.
Oh. I'm sorry.
Well, look at.
No.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh! Okay, we
gamer
actually we
move.
need it. It's that.
Pro gamer moves. Ah!
I call dibs on sacrifice.
Wait,
I'm
don't
not
go
even
too far. Don't go too far.
Guys, go
don't
back,
too
go
far.
back. I got this.
Don't
I
go
got
too
this.
far.
I got it.
Okay,
Stop.
Hold on! Okay,
Okay, we got it.
Luigi sacrifices. Yeah, don't hit it yet.
Now
Don't
that's
hit it
Tomo.
yet.
Imagine just getting to the
There
front
we
of
go.
that thing.
Imagine pulling in Toad mode.
No, I missed it.
Wait, go
Ah!
back!
Wait! Ah!
That's enough for everybody. This bubble thing's whack.
Guys,
Good one.
oh great, we're out of time!
We're not out of time.
Okay,
We have
yeah,
100
yeah.
seconds left. That's enough.
We already have everything.
Go, go, go. Why are you waiting? Sorry.
Hey! Look out! Look out! Bomb it! This is gonna be a little.
Okay, we gotta,
Okay,
we gotta
here
go, 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 go.
I know how you feel. You bomb me! Why? Why are you always sniping me?
I'm a master sniper.
For that you die. You die. Get over here. Oh wow.
It has fear.
Wow, what it? Wow.
No, I missed it. Okay, okay, wait, hold on.
I got it.
Yes.
Toad mode, Toad mode.
Oh wow.
I almost made it.
Well, that's
Wait,
basically
no.
what you get for killing people.
I'm a sniper. I love to use sniper.
Why would you, Ethan? Why?
Gun.
Gun. For his future special, he wields a gun.
Yay.
Oh yeah!
Dun, 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 dun.
Let's go to the rocket. Let's go to the rocket, guys.
We have a
Rocket,
double
rocket.
rocket now. Are we going to Mars?
A bonus world has opened.
Again?
Let's see
I
what
think
it
it's
We
is.
already had enough bonus worlds. Okay, let's enter the
I think
fire
there's
war.
3 bonus worlds. Including this one.
And this one is.
It's
Aqua World.
it's certainly
It's World Mushroom. Okay, guys.
Oh, respect World Sunflower.
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed
Wait,
it.
stop 30!
Stop 30! Stop 30!
Hey, stop it. See you later. Where Evan needs to learn how to not kill people, and that's
Ethan!
I mean,
Stop 30!
Ethan.
Let's go!
I meant Ethan, okay? Ethan is the one who needs to learn not to be homicidal. See you later. Peace.
Stop 30!
Goodbye.
Stop 30!